How to save your document in Microsoft Word mobile application. So first of all, launch MS Word on your mobile devices. Now, simply tap on the plus button in order to create a new document. Then, select a layout of your document. After this, you can create your document accordingly. Simply tap on this check icon. After this, what you would have to do is simply tap on this three lines button at the top right. Then you can simply tap on Save or tap on Save As in order to save the specific document on your mobile device. I'm going to select on Save As. Then choose a place you wish to save the specific document on your mobile device. I'm going to select this device, and you can also edit the name of your document as well. So I'm going to tap on this device. Then choose a specific category. Then simply tap on Save at the bottom right. So with that, you will successfully be able to save a document from Microsoft Word on your mobile devices. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.